Hello everyone, welcome to CoinW Crypto Exchange. Today I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on CoinW. So let's get started. First, let me search for the word CoinW and open it. And yes, I can already see that I'm already logged in. So let's begin trading. Click on the trade button and then select spot trading. Once you are there, you can see all the spot coins available. And since you're interested in Bitcoin, let's select it. Now you will see that we have the option of choosing between a limit order and a market order. Let's buy the coin using a limit order, and with a limit order, you can choose the price of the coin and specify the amount. In this case, I set the price at $73,254 and I've set the amount as $100. Now, I'll click on the buyer button, and once the coin reaches that particular price, it will be bought automatically. And after that, you can go to your wallet section and click on the asset overview and then navigate to the spot option to see your bitcoins. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time, and till then, keep trading on CoinW. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.